Hey there! Would you like to learn how to make these amazing rosemary gluten-free bread rolls? They taste so yum. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. If you prefer healthy food alternatives and wish to improve gut health naturally, adding food-grade essential oils to your foods provides many wonderful health benefits. Plus, it creates a tasty food experience. So keep watching and download my free Food Grade Essential Oils guide. This gluten-free dinner rolls recipe is simple enough to make for any dinner party or elegant social. Believe me, no one ever suspects it's a grain-free bread. It's the best of the best gluten-free, grain-free bread recipe. So let's get started by preheating your oven to 375 degrees, and in a medium bowl add 1 3/4 cup almond flour, 1/3 cup psyllium husk flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon rosemary weed. Then we're going to mix this well with a whisk. Now add 2 1/2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar and 4 egg whites, plus 3 drops rosemary essential oil. This is what makes it come alive and so good for brain health. Again, we're going to whisk it together until it's nice and crumbly. Then we're going to heat 1 1/3 cup of boiling water and add it to the mixture. Now at first it seems super soft, but you'll see that as you stir it just for a few seconds, it becomes nice and thick and becomes a really nice bread dough. So from here, I like to put a little bit of olive oil on my hands and then pick up that dough and just knead it for 30 seconds to a minute. And you just want to get it a little bit more smooth. And then the way I like to do it is to just kind of pinch off a ball of dough and put it on that parchment paper lined baking sheet. This makes about 12 balls, and again you just pinch it off and put those on your baking sheet. After you've got all of your 12 balls there, now we're going to just lightly dust it with a little bit of rosemary weed. Now this is optional, but it makes them look really nice. Pop them in the oven and bake for about 25 minutes and you've got these beautiful gluten-free, grain-free rolls. I know you're going to love them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils guide, then like and subscribe.